Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt granola bars. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of your favorite chopped nuts, and 1/4 cup of honey. Also, have ready 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A small pinch of salt enhances all the flavors. These ingredients will create about 8 delicious bars. Now, let's prepare our dry mixture. In a spacious mixing bowl, combine the 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats with the 1/2 cup of chopped nuts. You can use almonds, walnuts, or pecans, whatever you prefer. Stir these together really well, ensuring they are evenly distributed. This creates a perfect, uniform base for our delicious granola bars, ready for the wet ingredients. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together the 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the pinch of salt. Pour this wet mixture over your dry ingredients and stir until everything is thoroughly coated. Then, transfer the mixture to an 8 by 8 inch pan lined with parchment paper. Press it down very firmly and evenly to ensure your bars hold together beautifully. Finally, the waiting game. Place your pan in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the bars to set up properly and become firm. Once completely chilled, lift the entire block out of the pan using the parchment paper. Now, you can easily cut it into 8 to 12 individual bars, depending on your desired size. Store these delightful homemade treats in an airtight container for a quick, healthy snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.